Hindi ako nagpatama. Di ba? Ang sa akin lang, I just want to show each and every one of you that you are not an ordinary person on board the ship. You are the incoming and future master and chief engineer in this universe. So sana naman, no, in behalf to your parents, respetahin ninyo ang mga pira nila. Tatapusin na niyo ang laban nito dahil by this coming June, you are already third year. So, thank you so much. Thank you very much, especially to our beloved stay on board the ship. I am very thankful sa pag-sacrifice nila sa inyo. They are sacrificing you. So magpasalamat tayo sa kanila. And especially their expiring words na sana maging official kayo. Diba? I know na palagi nila yung sinasabi sa inyo. Diba? So, again, sana magpasok-pasok na tayo. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay, yung group 1, ano